What would you think about the Paulk Smart Station being cut on a CNC, flat packed, and shipped directly to your door for you to assemble? Well, not quite yet, but I do have a hybrid solution that a lot of you have already taken advantage of, and I wanted to share it with the entire Smart fam. Smart Station is inside of the Smart Bench. I'm going to tell you what parts work and what parts need modification and what parts you need to add to make this into this. The long sides, the same on both. This side is in here. You just have to take away some material. The top, everything you need is there. It's cut, it's laid out exactly the same. Material removed to make room for the miter saw to sit in and have full swing. Sawhorses, spreader shelf, identical. All 4 spreaders, identical to each other. The end spreaders are the same as all 4 of these. The middle spreaders are the same with an add-on. Extensions for the miter saw. There's the shorts, these, and the longs. If you want them both, you'll have to make both of those. At least need to make one set, and you'll have to make the stops as well. And the base for your miter saw, you permanently mount your miter saw. So you're going to need a piece of 18 mil or 3/4 plywood. You won't use it all, but you'll use enough you'll want a full sheet. And again, you'll need the plans to make this into that. To confirm, you can buy the Paulk Smart Bench and the plans and a sheet of plywood and have the Smart Station. All right, have at it. Those that want it, go, and I'll put a link down below so you can purchase the bench, the plans, and have at it. Now, if you want more detail, hang out a little bit longer. You can see on the side here, there is a dado that the base slides into. That area right there is within the spreader that you'll get with that, but this material you have to add. So my thinking is you take a 18 millimeter, cut it to fit inside of there, glue it, and pocket screw a couple of screws up top in there, let it dry. You'll have it filled in and ready to modify this. With the plans and the detailing, you'll cut away this side piece and make this knot right at this exact height, and then you'll make this dado in that added piece. That's it for modifying. You're just going to modify the 2 inside spreaders. You're going to cut the top away, and you're going to modify this side. And again, all the detailing is in the plan. In the Smart Station plans is also a materials list to tell you about the tape measure, stuff you'll need to make the grooves. There's already been quite a few of you in the Smart Woodshop fam that have purchased 2 of these benches with the intention of doing the modification to the Smart Station with one of them. I'd like you to grab your smartphone or your video camera, whatever you take video with, and if you can, do it horizontal, not Instagram way. If you could just video what your completed bench and kind of talk about the detailing and how it went for you, Dropbox that to me or email it to me, and then I can edit them together and show the rest of the Smart fam, whichever way you want to go, plans or bench or hybrid. There'll be a link in the description of this video down below where you can do all of that. Mahalo for hanging out with me in the Smart Woodshop.